Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the garden today, did a bunch of work. Cleaned out all of this stuff that was left over in the main bed. The tomatoes and pepper plants and the marigolds and stuff. Just wanted to show you guys a quick video of the progress here. You can see our Brussels sprouts all seem to be going to flower, going to seed. I don't know if that means they're kind of done or if it's after this that they start producing the sprouts. I really don't know. I haven't read up on sprouts and I've never grown them before, so maybe somebody with the answers will be able to tell me or chime in the comments. I think these are going to be the little sprouts growing down here, but I'm surprised to see the flowers on here, so I don't know. That one seems to have some little sprouts there too, so I got to read up on this, or if somebody knows, let me know if this is normal. I did plant these really late last year and they didn't really do much, and they did survive through the winter, which is cool. So yeah, maybe there's going to be some nice Brussels sprouts to eat here pretty soon. We'll see. Let me know if you guys know. I need to come back in here again, and I'm probably going to end up redoing this whole thing with the strawberries because the leaves under the mulch thing didn't work. It's a ton of wasted effort, and they're just constantly getting reburied. I may go crazy and like rake them all out and then just properly mulch them or something. I don't know. I may even dig in between, which I hate doing. But I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not even sure that I'll do that. Maybe I'll leave it the way it is and just keep cleaning out the leaves by hand. We'll see. Yeah, I don't know yet. Then next, yeah, I just want to show you guys this big area here. I took out all the stakes. I took out all the old you know, dried up marigolds, tomatoes, peppers, all the stalks, cut everything out. You can see our two little sage plants doing really nicely. That one's looking really good, and that one's okay too. It was kind of grown in with a bunch of weeds, but I cleaned that out. These two are doing great over here. They look really good. This is a wild strawberry that I planted here last summer. It grew a huge amount, so I'm hopeful maybe there will be some fruit on that this year, and maybe it'll start spreading. That poor thing got buried so many times by the damn cats. My nemesis in the garden here is cats. They just come and bury all the stuff. They love playing in the mulch, and it's kind of annoying. Maybe once we'll be living here on the property, that should improve. But as of right now, that situation is terrible. There's cats everywhere. Anyway, that raspberry I'm pretty sure is dead, but I just threw some mulch on it so I remember where it was and maybe it'll grow out. This little guy is still alive. Tiny little shoot coming out there. Same thing here. The one that was planted there, I can't even find a trace of, so that thing's dead. Beautiful flowers on the Japanese quince. And then moving on to this area, I mulched these raspberries as well. Got a couple that are alive for sure. This one, that one, this one, I'm hopeful, but I don't see any growth yet. This one has growth, and that one has growth. So we will see. Same thing here with these strawberries. I got to re-clean them out. They're not as bad as the other ones, but because I didn't have leaves on these. But the grass is crazy. Thanks, Kevin, for the comment about the cardboard and stuff. I simply don't have the time to do it right now. And like I said in the other video, I do know that the proper way to do it is to kill off all the weeds and grasses and stuff before we start planting, but didn't have the luxury of doing that. So I'm going to work with what I've got, and at some point I'll just keep ripping out the grasses. I might dig some kind of edge along as well so that it'll stop the grasses from growing in underneath, but we'll see. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna have to get going. It's getting kind of late. Sun's already going down, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys some more progress here, and hopefully these raspberries that did survive are gonna start growing like crazy and get us some nice nice raspberries this year. I think maybe this one's dead. I should probably cut this one back. I didn't do that. This one's definitely the cane that's alive here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in another video soon. Bye.